Take the guesswork out of creating rounded corners and 45-degree chamfers on woodworking projects with the CornerCut by Milescraft. This quick and simple jig saves time by using a handheld router or router table to quickly profile corners without sanding down to a line. Forget paint can lids, soda cans, and bottle caps. Included in the kit are 4 quick flip templates that produce 5 radius and 3 corner chamfer profiles. To change the profile, loosen the screw and flip it around, or replace with a different guide. All of the guides are conveniently stored on board, so they never get lost. The multifunctional design of the CornerCut allows it to be used 2 ways depending on the project. When the project is too big for the router table or too far away, remove the handle and use a handheld router on top of the workpiece using the flat top surface. To speed up smaller projects, attach the handle and guide the pieces across the router table. Remember to work left to right for handheld routers and right to left for router tables. The CornerCut kit includes a 1/2-inch dual bearing flush trim bit with a 1/4-inch shank that will work in both scenarios. The top bearing guides handheld routers, while the bottom bearing guides the bit on router tables. To secure, position, and control the workpiece, the CornerCut has 2 long edge stops that form a 90-degree lock on the board. These can be positioned in 2 different positions depending on the size of the project. Rubber pads also keep the CornerCut from slipping, whether using a handheld router or a router table. For best results, use a bandsaw or jigsaw to remove as much waste material as possible before routing. This allows the router bit to work quickly and cleanly in a single pass. Don't cut corners, route beautiful radiuses and straight chamfers on your woodworking project with the Milescraft CornerCut. Milescraft, always the better idea.